Hi, I'm Scott Alexander with Selden, Mass. We're on board the brand new Sparkman Stephens 30. Today we're going to review the Selden GX top-down furler. We've opened up the bag so you can see what's in the goodie bag here. Right here is the halyard swivel. The head of the sail is lashed and the halyard will be attached here. Looking down further, we've got the drum, which will attach out on the bow, and we've got the sheets nicely coiled. So first thing we'll do is we'll go forward and grab the halyard, making sure she's clear to hoist. And we'll attach the